Hey everyone, welcome back. This video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use SEO Writing AI, explain its key features, and show you step-by-step how to create your first article using AI. Whether you're a blogger, affiliate marketer, or online business owner, this tutorial will help you save time and rank higher on Google. Let's jump in. So, first up, what does SEO Writing AI really do? It's an AI tool for writing that lets you make lots of content, such as click blog post, make a great post from just a title, write and share it with one click, bulk article generation, make and post up to 100 articles at once to WordPress with just a click. Humanizer Tool, change your post to read better and more like a person wrote it, which helps you rank higher on Google. Blog post, a post with helpful tips and advice on an important topic. Product roundups, this is a list of top items in one group with links to buy each one on Amazon. Product reviews, this is a full look at one item, listing good and bad points, with a link to buy it on Amazon. Product list workflow. This is a way to make big lists of products fast. Create a full list of Amazon products super quick. How-to guide. This guide shows folks how to use an item by teaching them step by step. Simple editor. This is an easy tool for making stuff. Just start with a sample for AI at the top. Now let me show you how to create your first article using SEO Writing AI. Once you get to your SEO Writing AI main page, you will find a thing named one-click blog post up high. Hit it to bring up the post-making form. Here is where you put in the key facts of your blog post so the AI can know just what to make for you. First, go to the main keyword box and put in the keyword you want. Say if your piece is on fitness bands, your main word might be best fitness trackers for new users. Next, in the title box, write a good blog title that will draw people in, like Top 10 Fitness Bands for Starters in 2025. If you need some thoughts, hit Generate a Title and let the AI give you some ideas from your word. Then move down to the core settings area. There you can change. Language, set to English or your preferred language. Article type, choose the type article size. Select how long you want the article to be. X small, medium, large. Now, set your content tone and style. Tone of voice. You can pick friendly, professional, or expert to match how your brand talks. Point of view. Write from a first person, second person, or third person view. Text readability, aim for an 8th to 9th grade level to make sure it's easy to read. You can also pick the AI model. Default is good, or try DeepSeek plus real-time SERP for even better results with up-to-date data. You can also add brand voice and additional details for more clarity and impact. Details to include. What details would you like to include in your article? Add images and videos automatically. This is a cool thing if you want your blog post to be good to look at from the start. AI images, yes or no, number of images, from 1 to 20 images. Image style, pick from a list or just don't pick for basic images. YouTube videos, yes or no. The AI will put in a YouTube video that fits the post. Layout options, you can mix up images and videos for each part. In the SEO part, you can put in more words you want the AI to use all through the post. For example, if you don't know what words to pick, click NLP Keywords Generation, and the tool will offer good words that fit your topic. Customize the article structure. Here's how to make your piece work. Add an introductory hook, like a question, statistic, or quote. Enable or disable specific sections like conclusion, key takeaways, FAQ, tables, or lists. Choose formatting options, bold, italics, quotes, etc. Internal and external links. Internal linking. If you have a connected website, the AI can automatically add internal links to your existing content. External linking. It adds strong, fitting links from other sites into your work and lets you put in your own links too. Once all is ready, just click the big Run button up top. In just minutes, SEO Writing AI will make a full blog post for you. It will have full format, SEO help, pictures, videos, and big titles. If you've tried using AI to make stuff, you might find it sounds a bit stiff or too fancy. That's where the Humanizer tool helps. Click on Humanizer tool at the top. You'll see a two-part screen with two boxes. On the left side, you'll paste the original article or text you want to humanize. On the right side, the AI will show you the humanized version after processing. At the top, you'll see a readability dropdown. I recommend sticking with the recommended level, 8th to 9th grade, because that's ideal for both readers and SEO. But you can choose a college, difficult to read. Now pick your tongue. For many, it will be English, but you can go for others if you need. This is a unique feature. If you want to automatically remove overused AI words or phrases, you can select that option here. You can choose between a basic list and an extended list. For now, let's leave it set to basic list. Now paste the text you want to improve into the input text box on the left side. This could be text from any other AI tool you want to make sound more natural. Once your text is pasted, just click the Humanize button at the bottom. In seconds, you'll see a humanized version of your text appear in the box on the right. At last, you can check out the new text, copy it right away, or get it as HTML to put it right into your website's editor if you like. Why use the Humanizer tool? Makes AI text sound more natural, improves readability for real people, helps avoid AI detection flags from search engines, saves you editing time so you can publish faster. That's it. If this video was helpful for you, please click the thumbs up, hit subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment down below to share your thoughts or what you did. Thanks for watching.